Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to lock Facebook profile. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First we need to go to Facebook. After that we need to click on menu and scroll down. After that, click Settings and Privacy. After that, click Settings. Scroll down a little again and click Profile Locking. And here you can click Lock your profile. And that's all. Click OK. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.